Good morning, children. So now today we are going to discuss about lines and angles. Okay, this is our geometry portion starts from here only. So we are going to discuss some important points through these slides. So just watch this. These are called line, segment and ray here. Okay, these are called line, segment and ray. See one time. This is called line segment. Why? Because it has its terminated point, means where it is not going beyond the defined limit. So this is called line segment here. This is called line. It is extending in both direction here also, and it can extend in this direction also. So this is called line. Now what is ray? Ray means it has one initial point, but it can extend in any direction. See, it is going, arrow means, this arrow means it is going in this direction. So this is called ray, and from these angles are formed also. Okay, so see what. Now in this next slide here, different type of angles are given. See, different type of angles are given. See it. One is called this, one is called right angle. See, this is called right angle. Why? Because this angle is 90 degree. That's why this is called right angle. These lines are called parallel lines. Why? Because distance between them is same everywhere. That's why these are called parallel lines. This is called acute angles. Why? Because it is less than, this angle is less than 90 degree. That's why it is called acute angle. And these are called, this is called perpendicular line. Why? Because each angle is just 90 degree. You may just see this, each angle is 90 degree. This is called obtuse angle. Why? Because this angle is more than 90 degree. I think this should be the end. Wait a minute. Okay, now see. So this is called obtuse angle. Why? Because it is, this whole angle is more than 90 degree. And this is called intersecting lines. Actually perpendicular lines here, these are also intersecting lines. Means to say two lines will meet at one unique point, and this is the unique point where these lines are meeting here. So this is called intersecting lines. This is called bisected angles. In this case what will happen? This angle is equal to this angle. So this is called bisected angle. Okay. So now in that, these are the types of angles that we have discussed. One more important angle we have to discuss here. See, that will come in the next slide here. And these are the angles that we have to study in this chapter. Okay, what are that adjacent angle and what are these all, see here, these all type of angles are made here. Adjacent angles, angle that share a side. Okay, this is the side that has been shared by this angle and this angle. Vertical opposite angles, they are made by the intersecting lines. That means when these two lines are intersecting, so these angles are called vertically opposite angles, or these angles are called vertically opposite angles. Clear? So this is called vertically opposite angles. Now congruent angles means which angles have same measure. So these angles have the same measure. If this is 30 degree, then this also is 30 degree. Okay, these all are same. Complementary angles means whose sum is 90 degree. There should be only and only two angles and their sum should be 90 degrees. So this is called complementary angles. And supplementary angle means there will be two angles and their sum will be 180 degree. This is called supplementary angle. See, two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two angles that form a line is called a linear pair, and we will discuss this in the next slide very nicely. See this. I have just given introductions of the angles here. Now see, this is our angles, how they measure. Before that I would like to show what is that complementary angles very clearly. So this is here, see, this is called complementary angles. What I had said, two angles 30 and 60 making 90 degree, so they are complementary angles. And when these two angles becomes 180 degree here like this, see here 190 and 61 is equal to 180 degree, 141 30, that is 180 degree. So these are called supplementary angles and they form a linear pair also. Okay, what they form? They form a linear pair. Okay, now what I wanted to show you here, I just wanted to show you this one. In this the angles has been see here, the angles has been described in degree, minute and second. So there is 360 in a circle, 360 degree in a circle, and degree is represented by this symbol, that 0 on the upper side. Then 60 minute in a degree, okay, that means in 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and that symbol of minute is, this is the symbol of minute. And then we have second, then we have second also. What is that? That is 60 seconds are there in 1 minute. If I am saying 1 minute, that means there is 60 seconds, and the symbol of second is, this is the symbol of second here, see. So this is what we have to study today. Okay, one video I have made on this, so let us see that, watch that video, that will be very useful for you. So here is that video. In this video we are going to discuss about lines and angles. I have written one question there. Question is saying that the supplement of an angle is 1/3 of the angle. Find the measurement of the angle here. Okay. Supplement is in two angles. We have discussed now supplementary angles. That means two angles are there, so they both are supplement of each other. They both are supplement of each other. How? Just see this here. What they are saying? They are saying that the supplement of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Find the measure of the given angle. So here we start the solution. Okay. Now I have no idea about that angle, so I have taken this as angle X. Okay. And then its supplement will be 180 minus X. Why? Because we are already knowing that two angles sums is 180 degree, so they both are supplement of each other. Okay, they both are the supplement of each other. So now, question is saying that the supplement is 1/3 of the given angle. The supplement is 1/3 of the given angle. So that means 180 minus X, the supplement is 1/3 of the X, that is here. After that, just I am doing calculation. See. So always remember class here one thing. If one angle is X, then its supplement will be 180 minus X. Its complement will be 90 minus X. Always remember, this is true for every angle. If one angle is X, its supplement will be 180 minus given angle, that is X here. Okay, similarly the complement will be there, then its complement will be 90 minus X here. Okay, so just see this. After this we have found calculations and did the calculations, and we have found that angle is equal to 135 degree. Then its supplement will be 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so this is what we have to discuss today in our class, and just now I have explained through the slides also what are that complement and that supplement angles. If you have not remembered that, then one time you may see again that one also. this is here, this is here complementary angles. See, this is complementary angles. Two angles are there, some is 90 degree, so they are some complementary angles, and 60 is the complement of 30, 30 is the complement of 60. Likewise in this next slide also you may see here, in this 145 and 35 is given there, no? So that means 35 is the supplement of 145 and 145 is the supplement of 35. This is what we have discussed here in our video here. Okay, now next questions we'll take, and in that questions we are saying that convert 78 degree in minute and second. For this also we have seen one slide where that symbols have been given. Okay, now that's 78 degree in degree, minute and second, all things should be there. Okay, first I will convert this in degree and minute. First I will convert this in degree and minute, and then I will convert this in degree, minute and second. Okay, you want to see, then just see here. Now see this, we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That means 78 degree can be written as 77 degree and 60 minutes. Yes, true, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree, we are knowing this. And then this minute will convert into second, so that means 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this, see here, for this 1 minute, so for this 60 minute was there, 0 second was 0. Now when that minute I have reduced 1 minute, that means now it is becoming 59 minutes, then 1 minute will be added in that. So for that reason that 1 minute has been converted into 60 seconds there. Okay, though it is not given in your books, even then I am explaining so that you can gain some informative knowledge there. Okay, that's why see this video very nicely. So now this is what we can convert the angles in degree, minute and second. This both are true. 70 degree can be now written as this also. Okay, understood everyone? See, 60 minute, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, and that is represented by this one line only. Then 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, that is represented by 1 0 here. Okay, so now in the next questions we will discuss about complementary angles, saying that find the angle which is the 4 times its complement. There are two angles, and both are complement of each other. They are saying that one complement is 4 times, one angle is 4 times its complement. Then see what we can do here. So here we are just showing that first I will find that angle. It is not given, so I will take this as x for me. Okay, it is not given. Then now what they are saying that its complement, so I will find its complement also. So that is 90 minus x. Just now we have solved about supplement, now we will solve about complement here, 90 minus x. Now according to questions, what they are saying? They are saying that angle x is equal to 4 times of 90 minus x, its complement. So now simple calculations only, and we will find x. So that is, it is equal to 360. So now I think you will find x. So 5x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 72 degree. X is equal to 72 degree here. Okay, so this is what we have found in our presentation today, lines and angles. Okay, this is what we have found in our lines and angles. Okay, so I hope you all will revise this very nicely. One more time, last time you see this here. One last time you all just see this today's work, what we have studied today. About these angles we have studied, about these symbols we have studied. Okay, so this is what we have studied today. I hope in the next class we all will learn more nicely and more new things. Till then, all of you take care class. Thank you very much.